Hello and welcome to Avio's Journey. It is Monday, the 27th of November, and we have a prize to give away. We have the Sennheiser 416 to give away today, and we have a winner. I have to say first off that the number of people who commented and participated was phenomenal. And unfortunately, though, as many of you found out or we had some people, and I've never had this happen to me before, but some people took my logo and they created accounts on YouTube and on Telegram, which I'm not even on Telegram, but they created an account with my name on Telegram and my logo, and they were messaging people in the chat telling them to message them on Telegram and claiming that they won, and then asking them for money, I guess, in return for sending the mic. So I don't know what they were asking. I don't know what they were asking for money. And fortunately, I hope no one. I did not receive all of the messages, and thank you for everyone who was telling me that. And I did everything I could. I mean, I tried to. I went to YouTube multiple times, in the capacity that I could, and trying to reported them, went to their pages, reported them. I mean, I reported them, and like to a point where YouTube was like, "We're going to cancel you if you keep doing that." I said, "You need to do something," because I feel like, and it's YouTube. I mean, I'm not saying I'm important or anything, but it would have been nice, to do so. I don't know what's happened, but because it didn't stop, and we couldn't help it. And then more and more people were contacting me saying that they were talking, like they were chatting with someone who was pretending to be me. I mean, like it was getting out of hand. I was super worried. So I had to shut down the comment section completely because I couldn't stop. I thought I had stopped them. I thought I'd hid them. But then people kept telling me somehow they were getting more messages. And people were talking to some people on Telegram or something. I'm not even on Telegram, even though they've opened an account in my name, and I've tried to get Telegram. I mean, like, it's ridiculous, and it's kind of crazy how people can do that. You know what I mean? And especially when you don't have their information, right? They're just like phantom accounts, and so that's really my first experience with anything like this. And it was just concerning me because I couldn't take down. So you can't, like, once you put up a video on YouTube, you can't take that video and re-edit it under the same video. It doesn't allow you to do that. You have to either remove the video altogether, right? Or I try to put down in the box below in the video about what was happening. I tried to go and erase, but I tried to do whatever I could. And then I made the short on it, the short video to try to get people to, but people were still messaging me that they were getting, thought that they had won, and people were talking to them on Telegram. They thought it was me. So I had to shut down all the comments, and I apologize for all the people who didn't get to enter. I think we had, it probably was over 300 entries, but at some point I don't know how many more we could have had and what we could have done, to take care of that. And I think that it's very important as we move forward because, we have, I tried to figure out, should we have a winner, should I, have a winner today, or should we redo this, to where more people can enter. And I went back and forth about this. I really did. And in the end, I decided that, it didn't feel fair to me for all the people who did enter, and, to not do the giveaway today. But moving forward, when we do our next giveaway, which I plan on doing, around Christmas time, and I'll share with you later what that's going to be, but it's going to be something equally as cool as the 416. Hint, hint. So know what that could be. And when I do that giveaway, it will be very clear to note that, I will not message you. I think my mistake that I made, because I was brand new at this, is I said I will message you in the comments, and I should never have done that. I didn't think that someone would create dummy accounts and try to, spam people and rip people off in our comments. But apparently these people have nothing better to do. So I will, what we do is when I do do a giveaway, I will announce. I should have done that. I don't know why, but instead of messaging, I will announce it in the video, right? Who won, and then from there we will move forward, because I will have you message me through my email, and we'll go from there. But I think that will help moving forward, instead of, we can still leave comments, but we just note that, there's no other account that no one should be messaging you claiming you've won in the account, or to message, or I will never ask you for money in order for you to, to win a giveaway. That doesn't make, that I used to work in a bank, and for a short period of time, for like 2 years, and I was like a service, like an account. I opened, help people open accounts and stuff like that, and also, did like cashier's checks and things like that, and people would come and they would ask for a check because they won, the lottery in some other country. And in order to get the lottery, they had to send a check for like $4,000 for the money to be, transferred or turned into a different currency. And I would always ask these people, I'm like, how did you win? Like, did you submit to a lottery? They're like, well, no. How did you even come up? Who are these people? We don't know. We just got a message saying we won. And I'm like, you're going to send them $4,000. Don't do it. So don't ever, someone gives, well, they're never going to ask you for money. I'm not going to ask you for money, right? To give you something that doesn't make any sense. So, but I totally understand, with someone going through there, and we've never seen it before on our account or from a VO's journey. And, so I was very saddened by that, and it really was frustrating to me. So thank you all, for those of you who, messaged me and let me know what was going on and tried to fix that. So, but anyways, so moving forward, when we do a giveaway again, in probably about 3 weeks, we're going to do another giveaway, which I'm really excited about. I will announce it as opposed to commenting. So with that being said, today's winner, very excited. And it's funny because, we're all from, there were so many different names, and you know what I mean, that we have that aren't our real names. Do you know what I mean? Like, that aren't someone who, like, because sometimes our YouTube names or whatever, we use just whatever name we come up with. It can be a user, it can be some interesting thing. But this particular case, our winner today, it did kind of pan out to where it seems like it was a name. All right. So our winner, all right, and what you will do, all right, is you're going to email anthonypicaproductions@gmail.com. All right. And I think that's the best way to get a hold of you, of me, because, and then we can even chat on the phone. I'm trying to figure out a way to really make sure, because now I'm scared out of my mind, right? And by the way, if you have any suggestions too on how to, do a giveaway to where it's more, because I want to make it easy. I don't want to make it difficult. Maybe we might have to have just a simple, like, and the next giveaway, maybe it'll have to be like, you got to go. But I hate having people to go do something else, because then I'm afraid someone's going to spam that. But if you have any ideas on how we can make sure that it's airtight and not as, a big worry about someone spamming us or trying to rip us off, let me know in the comments below on how we can make it a little more spam proof. All right. So the winner today of the Sennheiser 416, all right, is, drum roll, at Jen L. Green. Jen L. Green. So it's JenLgreen. Okay, so you need to email me at anthonypicaproductions@gmail.com. All right, and we're going to chat and go from there, and I'm going to get your information and send you the microphone. So if you can message me, all right, in the next couple of days, okay, please message me, and once I get that message, we'll go from there. If you do not message me in the next couple of days, I will make another video and we'll pick someone else. But congratulations to Jen, and I'm assuming it's Jen L. Green, like maybe it's a middle initial, I'm not sure, but it's JenLgreen. Thank you guys so much for watching and being a part of a VO's journey. We are heading into the next part of the last month, of the year. We've got about 3 weeks until pretty much everybody goes on Christmas vacation. So we want to really knock that out of the park, and we'll be coming back tomorrow with some good information on some marketing to where we can really lock down some jobs this Christmas season, okay? So again, congratulations to Jen, and I look forward to that email, all right, anthonypicaproductions@gmail.com. Congratulations. Thank you, everybody. Sorry for that mess. We'll get it better next time, and please leave comments below on how we can make it more effective to where we don't have to worry about being spammed so much. So thank you, everybody. Have a good one. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.